Hi, this will be a quick demonstration of SFT Tiny Titans. It's basically a torch transformers, NLP, and CV SFT based specialized fine tuner that we're going to demonstrate today. And what we're going to do is we can actually pick a model that we've saved that we built more recently, or we can select a tiny model to start with. I'm going to start with this small LM, the 135 million. And so I'll just do a download, and then off it goes. And so then you can export the Titans files. It'll give you the app.py.
In a forge of code, the Titans took flight. Small Ellen Drive 5, born with speed so bright. A spark in the dark, my hand shaped their core. Tiny heroes rose, destined for more. With SFT's might, I honed in their steel heart. Precision my gift, each tune a finite art. Tested their will, through prompts they'd strive. Wit was their flame, keeping truth alive. To Wayne Manor's halls, the raid call did ring. Retrieval their eyes, trends they'd bring. Travel times charted, a party took flight. Tiny Titans danced, heroes of the night. Oh, tiny Titans, small